have a Haas Tool Room Mill model TM1, serial number 1059385. This machine was new in 2007 and we are running it. Machine has a 10.5 by 47 3/4 inch table with 30 inches of X travel, 12 inches of Y, 16 inches of head up and down, 4,000 RPM spindle, 10 automatic tool changer capacity. Now the machine also has a lot of options in the control. You have DNC, rigid tapping, quick code, intuitive programming, advanced tool management, and high-speed machining. This machine has about 2,000 hours total use on it. So we got a real beauty here. This is original paint. Hey, 2,500. Right now we're running at 2,500 RPM. That's 3,500. Again, top speed's 4,000. Program's almost finished. We're going to be doing a tool change. And one more.